Excuse me, miss. Special delivery.
I was just texting you back when you threatened to put a clown under my bed.
How'd you like that? Tracy has a thing. Tracy has a thing for clowns under her bed. Look at this.
I'm like in a junk food craze.
Junk food craze. Yeah, she sent me a list of items. Can you believe this shit? She sent me a list. Every 5 minutes, the list got longer and longer.
Oh, what's this?
I told you I got some sour something.
Trolley?
Trolley? Yeah, that's what I said. Trolley. And then you said Doritos original flavor, so I'm assuming you meant nacho cheese and everything. That'll be $20, miss. Look at this. Nobody ever pays. It's cheap asses. Man, endless treasures. It used to be called Rising Fortunes. So we just hit the bonus. We're on top of it. Oh yeah. There we go. Finally. Green. Green. Great hit. One more green. Oh, just went by. Come on, green. There we go. That's beautiful. That's over $260. Put $100 in, betting 2-cent denom. We're here at Quick Hits Fever. We're gonna put $100 in, play max bet. That 5 quick hits is pretty high at $88.95. Wish us luck. The sound of this thing. No sound? No sound. Yeah. Three quick hits gives you your money back. Nothing but dollar hits. Almost impossible to get the free games. It's always 2 out of 3. Come on, so close. Oh, let's get a whole screen of quick hits. There we go, finally. Someone said to me one time, it teases you like a dozen times before it gives it to you. You know, we always do the corners. I don't even know which one is the best one here. Ah. I paid $30. And we got one more game. 2 more. Last game. Come on. That's it. Alright. 51.20. Alright, we're gonna take a $34 loss. Hey, I'll take it. Better than not getting a bonus. Put $100 in, $4 to spin. No, I'm fine, sweetheart. Thank you. And we hit the bonus game, 15 games, $4 bet. See what we get. Just land on that grand for 50 G's. Come on, one more. Nice. Any win you have in the bonus game gives you a multiplier. So we got the aces, and we got a ×3 multiplier for $6. ×10. That's $12. Tarzan. See, if we had a Tarzan in the first reel, we would have got all those totals with the multiplier. Ooh, I paid $80. Last spin. Alright, we'll take it. We'll double up. $100 into Ultimate Firelink, the new version. 10-cent denom, $4 bets. Let's get it. Wow. Got the liner up top. There we go, beautiful. Keep it coming. Need 2 more to unlock $16. Alright, last spin. Come on. Boom. Usually when they give you a big ball, like a major, minor, or anything like that, from the get-go, you usually don't get them. Alright, $31 profit. We'll take it. We moved 2 machines over, put $100 in, $6 bets, and we hit the following bonus with $10 left. So that's 90-102 so far. Let's get it. There we go. Fill up the top. Come on. Beautiful. Give me some writing now. Not that many. There we go. So far, $200 bonus. Come on. Break something. Alright, last spin. Let's get it. Break something. We just needed 1 more to break 18 and 24. Alright, 180. We got $10 in there. That's great. $190. We're almost double.
Okay, let me see. I'll be the judge. Do you have a filter?
No, I don't do that filter stuff.
Why?
Because what I tell you, always look the same.
At least if you're gonna get me on camera, have me working or something.
You never work. Introduce yourself. Hello.
Hello.
You want to tell your name? Nothing? Okay, whatever. Anyways, this is what I did the other night. This is a brand new Samsung S10 Plus. So this is a top of the line Android phone from Samsung, right? I ordered it from Samsung.com. They delivered it to my house Friday, I don't know, what was it? Monday evening, something like that, right? And then like at 6 p.m. So that night, I charged the phone up, and then as you can see, the screen is a lot bigger and nicer and everything. So I was testing it out. So I turned on the camera like at 11 o'clock at night. And I was like this, I was like moving it around up and down to see how it would look. Because the old phone I had was an S8. And every time you use the front facing camera like we are now, when you went like this, the screen would like twitch a little bit. Every time I would go like that. So I was testing it out in my room, you know, just moving it around, and there's a lamp behind me. So I was trying to see what it would look like in the light and in the dark, you know, against the light and stuff like that, right? Then I uploaded it into YouTube so I could watch it and, you know, see how it looks. But I never did. And like 45 minutes later, Slotty by Nature calls me and she's like, delete that video. And I was like, why? She goes, you went live on YouTube. And the thing was, I was like in my underwear only. So I was like, oh shit. So I went to go delete it. And she was like, what are you doing? I was like, got a new phone and I was testing the camera.
Oh my God.
You know, I was trying to see what it's like. She was like, you were doing some weird things. And I was like, well, I was making stupid faces to see how it would look. You know, and I was moving the camera around. So anyways,
Oh my God.
I posted it in my comments or in my community. I posted a comment saying, sorry about the sex tape I posted. You know, and stuff like that. Look at you working hard. That girl, I always tell her, I go, I've never seen you working.
Aw, she works. She works hard.
Very hard. And yeah, twirling her hair. That's about it. So anyways, yeah, that's what she does. Believe me, she twirls her hair all day long. Anyways, so that's what happened. It looks good, right? All right. Well, you guys let me know. Today's video, I think it's the first time I'm recording. Maybe a little bit last night I recorded. But anyways, let me know how the video is and how the sound is because I put a new case around it. So let me know how it is. Miss Kane over here, she just hit quad deuces with a kicker for $4,000. Are you buying dinner, Miss Kane? I'd like a nice ribeye from the Pines if you could.
So you remember I told you about in March, I took my car, something was going on.
Yeah.
So there's been a lot of recalls on it's the 2014 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk.
2014 Jeep Cherokee, okay?
$43,000 car.
Okay.
So about 12 times I'm driving and all of a sudden I step on the gas, nothing. Completely shuts down, all the lights come on.
So what's the problem?
And it always fucking happens on the fucking freeway. This last time it happened on the 101 going up
Yeah.
over the 405.
That's always nice, so 101.
Check this out. Cars whizzing by me, 70 miles an hour. All I could do is roll backwards. I had to wait till I got a spot, and I backed it into the shoulder. So anyway, car's been in a million times. There's a class action lawsuit, so I filled that stuff out. But all I'm gonna get is like a measly $2,000. That's not gonna happen. So anyway, brought it in March, got it back. What are you laughing at?
Nothing, go ahead. Go ahead.
Sometimes I can't get my story out. Okay.
Pretend it's a rant.
Okay. Well, actually, it is. Okay. So March took the car in, picked it up, then did the same thing. Took
Okay.
it back in. They changed the transmission control module. Everything fine. On my way home, 4:30 in the morning from the casino 2 weeks ago, on the freeway, stops. Usually I'll pull over, turn it off, it will start up again, but the check engine light comes on. Take it back to the dealer. So they had it for 2.5 weeks. I pick it up, and I wasn't really thinking, I'm like, wow, I don't remember leaving myself no gas. Which I forgot the one part. They only fixed the drive shaft, there was something else. They didn't fix the problem. They said we couldn't find anything.
2.5 weeks, they couldn't find anything.
So I'm thinking it's gonna happen again. I go home, couldn't sleep the whole night because I had to go to Bakersfield. And then if I was gonna come here, I didn't want to have my car. I was nervous on a desolate road on the 5 that I was gonna break down. So, do I smell like Doritos?
How the hell did that just pop up in the middle of the
I don't
story?
know. That happened. I'm gonna open up my computer one day and I'm gonna show you what my brain is like. There's like
You don't need to show me. I already know what your brain's like.
All over. Okay, so anyway, what was I saying?
Doritos?
Before that,
You were going to Bakersfield.
I couldn't sleep.
Okay.
So I get back in the car, I go to fill it up with gas, and I look at my mileage. I thought it was 84,100. It was 84,700. The motherfuckers drove my car 633 miles.
Are you kidding?
I am not kidding.
What, they went to Vegas and back and then back to Vegas?
Let me tell you something. I was furious. Then it dawned on me.
That's why you had no
They
gas
didn't
in the
even-
tank?
They didn't even hide the evidence and fill it up.
Did you find the condom wrapper in the back?
No, I found a tool. I found a tool.
Okay.
A Matco tool in my car. I
Okay.
was furious. So they didn't even put gas in. So I know that they drove at 600.
Working hard, right? I'm trying to stroke your hair like you do. Go ahead. So what happened?
I could die in my car. So
Okay.
just listen. So I was furious. So I called them. Adam called them.
Adam's her husband, by the way.
I
Not me,
take it in,
Adam.
Take it in. And I said, you guys need to figure out what's wrong.
You told him you didn't figure it out on your 600-mile trip?
And you're gonna do something because this is wrong.
Okay.
So anyway, they gave me another loaner. They have my car. There's another recall on
Wait,
my car.
you have a loaner right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's
What kind of loaner is it?
It's another Jeep Cherokee. No, but it's not the one. I always end up buying a car where it's the first time they did something.
I want 50%
Of what?
what you're making right now.
What making? I'm not making anything right now. I'm shooting. I'm telling you, she does nothing. Absolutely. I want a job here. Samuel, please hire me.
Never mind that my life is at risk and I'm trying to finish time.
Okay, I'm sorry. Go ahead. No, I think you made it, right?
Listen.
I'm trying to listen. Go ahead.
So I have the loaner, they have my car, there's another recall that the car, all of a sudden you're driving and it just goes into neutral out of nowhere. That's the new recall. They don't have a remedy for it yet. So whatever. So anyway, yesterday, July 4th, Chrysler, one of the big wigs, somebody from Chrysler called me.
Called you?
Yesterday on July 4th.
They must have saw you on YouTube and said, hey.
Furious at what happened.
He was furious at what
Yes.
happened? Why?
They drove. What do you mean, why?
Why would he give a shit?
What?
Why would he give a shit?
What do you,
Yeah, they don't give a shit.
yes, then you don't talk to the right people.
So what happened? Tell us the
So,
end of the story.
anyway, they elevated it to the STAR program, which has something to do with when they find stuff wrong with cars, but there's no remedy. Anyway, if I want a new car, I can probably get one under cost. They're going to take care of it.
So that's the remedy? You're gonna have to buy a new car?
I don't know. I don't want to. I love my car.
You should tell them to give you a new car.
Well,
At cost, that's not that-
I love my car, except for the fact that
Why?
it just breaks down.
Exactly. It's like I love my girlfriend, but she cheats on me all the time. But I love her.
No, but it's like it's the first year they made the nine-speed transmissions.
Okay. And that's what's messing it up?
Yeah,
Okay, so you have a rental,
alone.
a loaner, rental, whatever. And they're gonna have your car, and then they told you if you want a new car, we'll give you one at cost?
No, I'm saying he told Adam basically they will take care of it. But Adam said if you want a new car, now's the time.
Okay.
But I don't know that I want a Jeep.
Why would you get a new car from
Well,
them?
they've worked out the kinks. You know, when you buy a
Allegedly.
car that it's the allegedly. You know when you buy a new car and it's the first year they put like a 9-speed transmission or they change something in it, you really shouldn't buy it the first year that happens.
Okay.
You should wait for them to work the kinks out. So anyway, I'm alive.
Spoiler alert. So she made it back in one piece from Bakersfield. Yeah, that's because you have a loaner. That's why.
Yeah.
That's good. Well,
But anyway, you know, when something like this happens, you should call up until somebody takes care of it.
I had a similar problem with an Audi I had like 15 years ago. I leased the Audi, and then brand new, and then the window, whenever you would roll it, well, it's not all the time, but whenever you would roll it up, sometimes it would pop back down like that much, right? Like 4 inches.
Oh God, that's dangerous.
Yeah, and it wouldn't go back up until it felt like it. No, you can't park your car anywhere. You know, so anybody can just reach into your car and just open the door.
Okay, break down on the freeway and die. My window won't roll up.
She didn't die. Look at her. Is this Ghost Tracy? Is that it? Woo!
Okay, so what happened?
Nothing. I just like you. I took it back to the dealer. We can't find the problem. I took it back so many times, and every time they were like, "Sorry, we can't find the problem." They could have just replaced the main part in the door that controls the window. I forgot what the part was called. They didn't want to do it. Then one time I just went into the manager's office and I started yelling. Like the whole dealership could probably hear me. After that, they fixed it. I never had that problem again. And I was like, that's what it takes. Like if you're nice with people, you know, you're like, hey man, fix this problem, stuff like that. They're like, we can't find the problem. They don't give a shit.
If you threaten, which I hate to do, but
that's right.
So
Tough guy.
I'm gonna actually.
If you have any car trouble, call Tracy. She'll
No, I'm gonna
set them straight.
I'm gonna demand a new, not a rebuild. I want a new transmission in my car.
Well, how do you know they're gonna put a new transmission in? They'll just tell you we put a new one. They put a rebuild one. Just get a new car. With all the money you.
I don't want a new car. I love my car.
You want to die and roll backwards on the 101 freeway? It's so stubborn.
No, but I love my car.
Why?
I don't know. I just really like it. It's like it's got
Actually-
every feature. It has
actually-
everything.
I have to return my car on Tuesday. My lease is up.
Why a leasing?
Because I can't afford to buy a new car. Like my car is almost $50,000.
Leasing is better if you're gonna always get a new car.
That's what I prefer anyway. That's what I prefer anyway. I like my friend. He was working at BMW at the time. He's like the general sales manager. So he gave me an awesome deal on my car, and I took it. Now he works at Laguna Niguel, Mercedes Benz, and I'll probably go to him and see what he has. Maybe get a Mercedes this time. You know what? I drove a G-Wagon the other night for the first time. It's like It's $150,000 vehicle SUV. It's like Mercedes-Benz's top of the line SUV. It is a piece of shit. You know that? I mean, it has a V8 in there. The car, you push it's like a tank, basically. Like a tank mixed in with an SUV. But it's totally useless. I drove it for like an hour. I didn't like it at all. Yeah, I know. Somebody just hit the bonus advance controls. That's okay. I'm all right. I'm up like $600-700 right now. I played the Rising Fortunes outside the door over here to the left. Put $100 in, won $500. I hit a bonus. Yeah. Then I went upstairs. I played like 5 other machines. 140 here, 150 there, 160 here, and something like that. Came up.
I always spy on dancing drums.
Spew.
I don't know what's happening.
A spy with useless information.